Delhi done and dusted for the BJP. They are now eyeing the state of Bengal under Mamata Banerjee, under Trinamool Congress. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has made a big statement saying that in 2026 the BJP will ensure that they come to power in Bengal too. With the Aam Aadmi Party being dethroned in the national capital by the BJP, they are now setting their eyes clearly on their next mission, which is the state of Bengal to dethrone Mamata Banerjee.
पूर्वी भारत के संबंध में प्रधानमंत्री जी ने एक बहुत बड़ा एम्बिशियस स्टेटमेंट भी रखा है। जब तक पूर्व भारत की विकास नहीं होता है, जब तक पूर्वोदय नहीं होता है, तब विकसित भारत नहीं हो पाएगा। पहले झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़ में हमारी सरकार नहीं थी, वही हुई। बिहार में भी हमारा सरकार है, अभी वो रिपीट करेंगे 25 के एंड तक। उड़ीसा में नई सरकार जुट गई। आसाम में हमारी सरकार है, वो बरकरार रहेगी। नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट में कई सरकार हैं, उसको बरकरार रखा जाएगा। झारखंड में हम लोग सरकार बना नहीं पाए। बंगाल में जब भी कभी चुनाव होगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार होगी।
Okay, let's bring in Suryagni on this broadcast, who's joining us from Kolkata with more details on this. Suryagni, any reaction that's coming from the Trinamool Congress on this statement from the BJP? With Delhi down, they're now setting their eyes on Bengal.
Well, Akshita, we just spoke to Dharmendra Pradhan just a while back, and he categorically mentioned that, the BJP will try its level best for the upcoming 2026 elections. And ahead of that, they are also confident that in 2025 itself, with the Bihar election that's around the corner, sometime around October or November, the BJP will repeat the government once again over there. Secondly, and more importantly, if I speak of the Bengal perspective, from the Bengal perspective, in 2021, the BJP had, taken out all its guns to make sure that they, somehow win the state. However, they were not able to. I also questioned him that in 2019 and 2021, the BJP did see an upward swing. However, in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the results were not really that honky-dory for the party. What Dharmendra Pradhan also mentioned over here, which is very important, is that yes, there has been a dip in the seats that be in Lok Sabha from West Bengal, but the vote percentage is pretty much intact, and that is something that the BJP is extremely confident about.
Okay.
And they are relying on their, vote share, which they have maintained
so
somehow.
Essentially, we're in February 2025. Already, clearly, the BJP is looking to work on Bengal for the next 1 year. 2026 is when you're going to be seeing elections next in Bengal. Let's play out for you once again exactly what Dharmendra Pradhan said.
पूर्वी भारत के संबंध में प्रधानमंत्री जी ने एक बहुत बड़ा एम्बिशियस स्टेटमेंट भी रखा है। जब तक पूर्व भारत की विकास नहीं होता है, जब तक पूर्वोदय नहीं होता है, तब विकसित भारत नहीं हो पाएगा। पहले झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़ में हमारी सरकार नहीं थी, वही हुई। बिहार में भी हमारा सरकार है, अभी वो रिपीट करेंगे 25 के एंड तक। उड़ीसा में नई सरकार जुट गई। आसाम में हमारी सरकार है, वो बरकरार रहेगी। नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट में कई सरकार हैं, उसको बरकरार रखा जाएगा। झारखंड में हम लोग सरकार बना नहीं पाए। बंगाल में जब भी कभी चुनाव होगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार होगी।